What's up guys, this is Matthew. I'm about to do my first unboxing video. This is a package that came from, I don't know how to pronounce that, Kai Quinn. And this is some prop money that I purchased from China. And I bought it off this app called Wish, like Make-A-Wish, and it was, I think, $1 a bundle, and then shipping was like $1 each. So basically, I bought 15 of these. They come bubble wrapped. 15 bundles of prop money, and I saw the picture of it. It's not the best looking money for sure. It's got this writing on it, but it was about a third the price of everybody else. So, and I guess they really love to take this shit up and tack it really well. I'm trying to do it fast. So it should be 15 of these things, which are fake 100s. And the reason, from each seller, you're only allowed to buy 15 for like import tariff reasons. So I bought 15 from this one company, and then 15 from another company, and then 15 from another company. So you lose out a little bit on the shipping, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And you gotta be careful when you're buying things from China, because I don't know how you would do a return policy. Basically, it took about a month for these to ship. You know, so for this pack here was $15 to ship it, and $1 per bundle. So it was like $2 to 30. It's like 30 bucks for, should be 100 of each one of these. They're printed on both sides. The only problem with these is they put this writing on it, and then this little thing up here, and then on the back there's this pink writing thing. But these ones look pretty good in terms of, it doesn't say fake movie money or anything like that. Like you can see, it says the United States of America. It's got that president on it. Is that guy a president? Who is that guy? Benjamin Franklin. No, he's not a president, but you know what I mean. So they look pretty good, except for that pink writing, compared to these other ones that I got, which definitely look better, but these ended up being like 50 cents per one piece of paper. So basically, this was 3 cents, and this was like, I think it was like 55 cents or something. So these kind of look a little better. They don't have that pink writing, but the quality of both of the papers is not great. So, pretty good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you are looking to buy some prop movie money, some fake movie money from China, for your next, photo shoot or motion picture, I would definitely check out this app called Wish, W-I-S-H, and it's basically like real junky stuff from China.